Hello, I'm Rishi Kataria from Eicher Trucks and Buses. Eicher in the BS6 era is creating yet another benchmark in the Indian commercial vehicle industry by the introduction of its all-new revolutionary BS6 solution EUTEC 6. It combines global technology with innovative support services. Eicher has an experience of supplying more than 1 lakh Euro 6 base engines to the Volvo Group for over 6 years. These engines are operational across 41 countries around the globe. The transportation industry is rapidly evolving and is becoming more demanding in terms of higher fuel efficiency, faster turnaround and higher uptime, along with drivers' comfort and safety. To cater to all these requirements, we have brought the all-new Eicher Pro 6040, India's first 39.5-ton GCW tractor with a 4-cylinder engine, built on the philosophy of profitable for life. It is a next-generation truck catering to segments like ISO container, auto logistics, tanker, LPG bullets, e-commerce and market loads. The Eicher Pro 6040 tractor cabin chassis is available on a wheelbase of 3200 mm. हम माइलेज के बादशाह थे, हैं और रहेंगे. With our commitment to maintaining our leadership position in fuel efficiency, Eicher Pro 6040 is designed to deliver up to 7% higher fuel efficiency in its product category, with a proven VE85 4-cylinder engine coupled with Volvo Group's engine management system and a vanadium-based compact box-type each, delivering a maximum power of 240 horsepower at a lower RPM of 2200 RPM and a maximum torque of 900 Nm available at a wide RPM range. It comes with intelligent features like fuel coaching, which provides real-time driving guidance, and M-Booster Plus, which optimizes acceleration and maximizes fuel efficiency. It also comes with energy-saving components like ESS compressor and Vistotronic fan, which minimize the parasitic as well as mechanical losses. Eicher Pro 6040 is designed to deliver up to 5% better turnaround time, leading to more trips with robust, rigorously tested and optimized driveline with high power to weight ratio, which increases the load pulling ability, hence leading to better productivity. Quick gear shifts and minimal RPM and torque disruptions lead to better pickup. Parabolic suspension leads to higher driver comfort, hence increasing the driver productivity. Since downtime is the biggest cost in any transportation business, so Eicher Pro 6040 delivers superior uptime through reliable and durable aggregates, ensuring the truck is available to call all the time. Advanced onboard diagnostics, which display fault indicators in the form of audio and video signals for preventive maintenance. Advanced 4-way engine protection system for engine safety and low maintenance. Long and synchronized oil wear intervals. Eicher's fully equipped service network and innovative uptime center, which ensure that your truck is available maximum time on the road. Eicher Pro 6040 provides more comfort and enhanced safety for the driver through AIS 029 crash tested cabin with blind spot mirrors for enhanced safety. Ergonomically designed cabin with improved suspension, cruise control, 6-way adjustable seat, tilt and telescopic steering, and standard HVAC for ensuring fatigue-free long drives. Intelligent driver information system which continuously guides the driver on the truck's operational parameters. With our lifetime support solutions, we offer complete peace of mind through seamless experience from the moment you consider buying an Eicher vehicle to the moment you think of selling. Our offerings are all you need for your business to make it profitable for life. For any queries, log on to eichertrucksandbuses.com or call Eicher Care on 1800 1023 531.